all cracked this here. You know, people have been asking me, hey, can I run Windows games on my 2DS or 3DS or heck, even my DS? And as you can see right here in DS Homebrew, I'm going to teach you how to go ahead and set up Twilight menu and then set up a Windows emulator to run external programs on your 3DS and or 2DS XL or DS for all I care. So I have the page right here after it goes back here, right here after Valentine's 2020 release. Go to this, you want to go to it, because if you don't go to it, excuse me, if you don't get the latest release, there could be a few bugs that have problems with running Windows applications on a 3DS kernel, or DS kernel for this time. So we're just going to download the 3ds.zip. It's going to download right here in the corner. We're going to click it so it can open after. And then we're just going to open our totally legit SD card right here. Totally legit. Yeah, totally legit. Okay, and so right here I have a second monitor. I'm going to take this and just pull it over here. It's going to install right here. As you guys can see, it's almost done installing, and now it's going to totally and realistically trans over to this file. I'm very sorry about my SD card speed and all that. Very sorry. Okay, so after this, which one was it right here? After this gets done, it's at 50%. Don't know why it's taking so long. Probably because my hard drive was just shocked with a bunch of electricity last night. Power went out, and then it just went back right on, and so that could also be an issue. I'm gonna have to get that figured out. But you understand that after it's done moving all these, let's go back to this internet browser. After it's done moving all these, we're gonna take this and my SD card. Fuck this. Here, I'll just go over here and wait till it's done. Go, because I'm way too dumb, eh? Fuck that. No, I'm not. Okay, so we're here back at DS Homebrew. I'll put a link to his newest release in the description, which is after Valentine's. It was released 12 days ago. So after this gets done uploading, okay, fuck you for taking that long. Now we go into a ROMs folder. Let's put that there, and let's put it here. Now we want to go over to NDS ROMs. Take this DS x86 ROM, put it right here. Then go back again. Make sure you're on the SD root of your SD card. This is an example SD card. I need my two 3DS's for iStation Z so I can actually, do this. So we're just gonna take these and just pour these out into my SD card, as well as the data folder after. How long does this fucking take? Well, like, I get that I don't have an SSD working on it, but it shouldn't take this long to copy. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, so okay, MDS Windows, that should be the, one that's giving us the hardest time, as it has all the applications that you need to run Windows 3.1. Don't you bug out on me, you asshole. Example 3DS study, or I'm gonna have to replace you with a better one. Also take the win.bat, put out the SD card, and then take the WinCMD file and also place that at the root of the SD card. If you have an other one, you'll want to replace it. Okay, so now that you have all this, you should have MWindows, WinCMD, should have this file, or folder, whatever. See right here? It should, inside these folders you can take a look. Do not delete any of these or you won't boot. So after WinCMD, where the hell is it? You'll wanna go over here and make a new folder. And just name it underscore, no, dang it. You want to name it underscore DOSGEM, or just underscore DOS. Go into here, and let's say, I want to have an external Microsoft game on my SD card. I want to play all of these games right here, all of them. I want to play blocks. And so what you would do is just go down DOS, the underscore DOS folder that you made. Take these and put them in the DOS folder. Make a new folder called whatever you like, whatever you want. So I'm just going to call it Tetris Ripoff, or Tetris for short. So we're just going to take these and move them into here. And so now, right here, they're here. You can also load .com files. You can also install Windows 3.1 onto your SD card if you really wanted to, but we're not going to do that. So I'm going to delete that. When 10,000 Windows.NDS, they may be close to it, but they can't run external programs. They can't run .exe programs or .com files. With this that I'm showing you guys right here, the underscore DOS, all you gotta do is just go into this folder and then click on the exe. Watch, it won't allow me to go right here and run this on my computer. But with that thing that we have that's going to run DS mode, it can't affect our physical 3DS. Now, if you're running this on normal DS with a flash card, that's going to be a different story. You could probably break your DS if you decide, oh hey, I want to go to M Windows, and then I want to go over here to metadata, or I don't know, hyper, and I wanna click on whconfig and temp and all this stuff. Like, you'll be darned on how easy you could break the DS. Okay, and so right here, there's all the things you need. Let me make sure that I do have my WinCMD right here. SD card, example 3S, moving 4 items. Yes. Okay, so it's already on my SD card randomly. Okay, so now you'll want to eject this SD card. Where is it? Eject. And I'll meet you guys back here, when I am ready to, well, it's going to be like 8 seconds for you, and catch you then.
Okay, so back on your 3DS or DS or whatever, you want to go to your flash card, or in this case, Twilight menu for me. You want to click it and let it load into DS mode. You'll want to do this every single time you want to load, I don't know, a DOS game or something like that. So when it loads, I'm going to click A right here, and it's going to boot into Twilight menu. As you guys can see, Twilight menu is right here. And so when we go into Twilight menu, it should just pop up. If you did it correctly, it should pop up on the bottom screen right here. Where is it? It should be in ROMs, so we're just going to look for ROMs. Right here. Then it should be under NDS. Right there. And then right here, DS86. I also have a micro variant. I have Windows XP, both versions as well on this DS. You'll want to click it. And so execute. And then it'll load DOS. You'll want to choose that first option right here. You'll load into Windows now. Now this is where it gets tricky. So on the bottom screen right here, on the bottom screen, you want to choose 60 FPS is better, and allow the mouse to be on with the D-pad. So now you can move the mouse all around here. Do not click Windows 7, it'll delete everything on your SD card, and you don't want that. So go into File Manager. Then go to C drive. Now go up to whatever you named your file that you put games in. And so I want to go down, I don't know, to a regular old Tetris. See, so now if I want, I can go over to box.exe, right? I'll click it, and it'll boot me into a Windows program. Blocks from Hell, or as I like to call it, the Tetris clone of the 1990s. Okay, and so you can even play the game here after the game loads. So I'm just start the game right here. And so now you can play the game on your 3DS. Given that it has no 3D acceleration or anything, so it's just going to be a very uneventful experience, especially with no sound. But hey, now you're running full DOS/Windows programs on your 3DS, or DS if you use a flash card. As you can see, perfect capability. I'm surprised I haven't seen other applications trying to mimic this, because this is originally for the DS, as you all know. I sort of gave it away. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna lose right now. And so that's it. So on here, to leave, you want to click escape twice, and it should boot you back here. And then just click start, and it should just boot you back to the main menu. And then you can just select everything again, noting that every time you quit a game, you'll have to reselect the mouse and all the things that you put up afterwards. And so right here, see the minus, I want to click that. We're just going to minimize this. And I haven't tried a lot of these, so I'm assuming that a lot of these don't work, because, you know, you can't run 3D games like Wolfenstein. I'm trying to work a kink out that I'll actually be able to run them, but, you know, with a less than required frame rate. Anyway, this is Practice Mindell signing off. Do not like and subscribe, or I will find you. And when I find you, your body will be no more. You understand that, right? Yeah, you better understand it, you all freak. Anyway, good night. This is Cracker signing off.